Finally time for the special announcement that you've all been waiting for. Greetings everyone, my name is James Charles. Hi sisters!
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we have got a makeup challenge. We have got Mini Michael Jackson right here. Very simple. Mini Michael Jackson is gonna do my makeup first, and then I'm gonna do Mini Michael Jackson's makeup. Comment down in the comments below, who do you think has the best makeover? Also, comment a suggestion down below. Smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. Mini Michael Jackson's gonna start off first. I don't know what to grab, honestly, because I don't use makeup. But Mini Michael Jackson, you know, does dabble in the makeup occasionally. Nothing wrong with the makeup, ladies and gentlemen. And Mini Michael Jackson is gonna start off first, and hopefully I can get a grasp of what I'm actually meant to be putting on Mini Michael Jackson, you know, because I don't have a clue what I'm doing, chat. Alright, so it's all Mini Michael Jackson at the start here. Also, be sure to show the camera like what you're doing, like what palette you're grabbing and stuff like that if you want. You know, like pretty simple, just go like that. You know, easy. Alright, we've got the dog as well here, ladies and gentlemen.
We're going for like your sparkling look, sisters. That's what we're going for today. As you can tell, come closer.
I'm trying not to move my face.
It's like sparkly. It's got some shimmer. That's the whole purpose.
What are you doing, bro?
Alright. You gotta blend it in like really well, sister.
Hi sisters!
Did you get the James Charles eye palette yet?
No.
No? Of course, he's just doing his thing, Chad. If you want to see more videos with him, what you want to do, comment down below that you want to see a video and comment an idea of what you want to see, what video you want to see him in.
You is fabulous.
Chad, this isn't meant to be a professional job, it's just meant to be like a nice little challenge here, okay? How bad for moving? Alright, okay, we're going.
I'm supposed to be you.
I'm just saying, what does it say, ladies and gentlemen? It's not good, is it?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Appropriate? Okay, cool. That's what I care about, chat, alright? What's next? Well, do what you want. Good go.
He's not relaxing! Oh my god! He's not relaxing! Oh my god! Relaxing! Oh my god! Is how AJV, he ruined it. He's not relaxing his eyes, so now he looks like a mess.
What are you doing?
You're not relaxing! We're done with that.
It looks bad, doesn't it? That was my problem. I was trying to relax my face, chat. I just couldn't. And I went like this. Like you saw me like relax, chat. I heard. I thought I relaxed a little bit. It was very wishy-washy, the relaxing. Alright, time's up, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, Mini Michael Jackson is in the chair right there, ladies and gentlemen. And as you can see, we've got the palette. It is my turn, ladies and gentlemen. This one first right here. So I can use this one all over the face, right? Okay, cool. Right, how do I open this? This is going to take up majority of the time, me trying to figure out how to open this. How do I open this, Mini Michael Jackson? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Alright. Perfect right there. Couldn't have done it better. Okay. Now, it's a work in process, chat. Leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. Alright. Is that how I'm meant to do the cheek? Yes, see? I'm a pro, chat. You can get the chin here, like a nice little Riz face, you know, the Wizard of Oz right here.
Really?
Very subtle, very subtle. Okay, don't need to wash that one in. Alright, next bit, chat. We've got this right here. Let's close this bit up here. We might go in for this if we have extra time. But close that up now. It's against this marker right here.
You really writing Diddy?
No, I'm not. Okay.
I don't know what this is.
Okay.
I don't really want to know.
Next thing. Might as well get a reindeer out, better we?
Ho ho ho!
Just for Santa Claus. A nice little red-nosed reindeer. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Looking perfect right there. Okay. Now we got to put a little thing on the side here somehow. So let's do a little love heart right here. Right there. That was very bad, but it's fine. We'll do another one right here. We have a redemption arc here, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. That's better right there. Perfect. French kiss. Look at it. All right. Now we're gonna make it look like Mini Michael Jackson's been sleeping for hasn't slept for 3 weeks. So I think this one right here will do well, after all. I might be winning this. Alright, let's grab this black one once again. Alright, let's do this black one. We'll do it here, we'll go here. I like going this side. Alright. Sub chat. That's what you're gonna do, a sub, right? Let's put an arrow. Let's actually grab the red one. It's like a red arrow pointing down. That's what you should be doing, chat. As you see, Mini Michael Jackson's epic makeover. You want it too? All you gotta do is subscribe, chat. Alright, if you want me to come to your house and do it for you, you gotta hit the bell. Alright. Perfect timer. Alright, we're gonna have the perfect transformations where we get to turn the chair and get to see what we look like right now.
You is fabulous.
Ooh, right there. Another ooh, and everything else, other than me looking like I've just been in a street fight and lost badly, looking pretty good. It looks like I've been punched here by Mike Tyson a couple times. Floyd Mayweather's got me on the left side. But other than that, we got the ooh, and yeah, looking pretty solid. Alright, Mini Michael Jackson's turn, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into it.
You is fabulous.
He definitely watches too much James Charles.
My name is James Charles.
Every night.
Yeah, you can have a look, Mini Michael Jackson. Have a look at your face. Got the subscribe button right there. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Right there.
Hi, sisters! Oh.
So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash like, comment, and subscribe. What other makeup tutorials you want to see the sisters do in the next video. And we'll see you next week. Bye, sisters!
Bye, sisters! Slade.
Charles, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.